It's the most wonderful time of year.
Hey guys, it's Vlogmas day 1. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tatiana and I am doing Vlogmas. So I recently moved to the United States and I'm a teacher, and yeah, this is a new experience for me, a lot of new things really, but yeah, I'm excited about Vlogmas. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we'll see. So this is day 1 and I'm still at work. I'm getting ready to leave. I'm actually doing tutoring, so I signed up to do tutoring after school 1 day a week, and yeah, I don't have any students right now, but I haven't had any students, but yeah, so I'm counting down the hours or the minutes at this point until I get to go home. I am thinking of giving you guys a classroom tour, but I might do that tomorrow so I don't have to rush, so stay tuned. Yeah, my classroom has been a labor of love because when I came here it was just bare bones, just like there was barely anything, and so yeah, everything that you guys will see is just like stuff that I've added over the past few months. I have been here for 4 months now. This is the start of my 4th month. Let me see, July, August, September. Oh my gosh, this is the start of my 5th month. Oh my gosh. Wow, yeah, so I've been in the States for 5 months now. And well, 4 months, start of my 5th month, right? I'm sorry guys, I can't do math. Never have been able to, never will. But yeah, so I'll give you guys a tour tomorrow. You're getting a little sneak peek based on my backdrop here. But yeah, I'll give you guys a tour tomorrow. Also, Silk Press is holding up pretty well. I did my hair 2 days ago, and yeah, I've gotten a lot of compliments on my hair. I'm so proud of it. I did it myself and I think it looks really, really nice. It's really soft. Every now and again I do like this and I'm like, wow, I've never been able to feel the shape of my head like this. So yeah, that's been interesting. But anyway guys, I'm gonna finish packing up for the day, and yeah, we're gonna head out. Gonna head home sweet home.
Let's get started.
I want to show you guys something really cool. So yesterday I was trying to, let me sit down. Yesterday I was trying to figure out my slides and stuff for the day, you know, get everything ready and sorted out for work, and I came across this option to upload a file on Canva that basically converts it from like a PowerPoint or PDF or whatever into like a slide on Canva. And when I was trying to do it, it wasn't working. But look at this. Like, I think it probably needed some time to, you know, like process or whatever. But this is so cool. It has this part that says click to edit master title style. Okay, so I'm guessing you kind of have to like edit or whatever some bits, but this is so cool. This is particularly good for me because I use classroom screens. If you're a teacher watching, you know what I'm talking about. Classroom screens is basically like a screen where you can have everything that you need on display for your students, so you don't have to like keep going into like your files and stuff when you're sharing screen. This is a screen that we use at my school. It's probably the screen that most schools use, but yeah, anyway, so I can just have all my stuff. Let me show you guys an example. So yeah, so this is an example of one of my screens. So you can basically have links to everything that you need. But because I create my slides on Canva, and then I also have slides that are PowerPoints, this is great because I can convert the PowerPoint slides to Canva slides and then embed it to my classroom screen, because you can't embed like PowerPoint slides to the screen. So I'm trying to show you guys an example of what I did today. So this is a Canva presentation. Let me just unlock. So this is a Canva presentation that I have embedded on my screen. So when I'm ready to show slides, I can just go ahead and expand it. So yeah, listen, if you're a fairly new teacher like me, this is great because I have a lot of PDF files and also PowerPoint files, and it would be really, really great for me to be able to like convert them to Canva slides. Let's see if I can actually do like a new one. So I'm gonna go here to create design. I'm gonna do presentation. I'm gonna click file, and this time I'm gonna see if I can upload a PDF. So upload PDF, and I'm just gonna do a random PDF. The last time I did this, like, this is what I was seeing. Like, it was just like not doing anything. And then, as you guys can see, I checked a while ago and it actually worked. So I'm gonna leave it, finish packing up, and then I'll let you guys know if it worked.
Holly hanging across the door, neighbors singing tales of yore. It's so close, hardly can wait. Waking up on Christmas, children dreaming without a care. 'Tis the season most everywhere, so come home. There's no better place, waking up on Christmas Day.
Hey guys, so I just got home and I'm actually not feeling good right now. I have a headache and I feel just really fatigued. I don't know what's going on, but I just feel just so tired. So I'm gonna lie down for a bit, see if I feel better. But yeah, if I'm not able to, then I'm gonna just close out the vlog here. Yeah, I just feel just really tired, to be honest. I got up in a hurry this morning because I overslept and I just felt so overwhelmed of all the nights that I did not get enough sleep and just felt so groggy and everything. It just had to be last night. but yeah, so I guess I'm just still kind of like yeah, just kind of feeling really tired. So I'm gonna lie down for a little bit and then I'm gonna try and get something to eat. But yeah, as I said, I don't know if I'll be able to pick up back the camera. But yeah, Vlogmas day 1. I'm excited. I don't have a plan. I know these type of content, like, you don't normally have a plan, but yeah, I'm excited. And let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have any suggestions or, you know, anything you want to see me do during the holiday. Open to your suggestions and all of that. But yeah, I love you guys. I am looking at the plate right there. Yeah. Anyway, I love you guys. Pray for your girl. Honestly, pray for your girl. By the way, if you guys see me touching my head every now and then, it's because every time I do like this, I'm literally feeling the shape of my head. The crown of my head is really like big. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit that I wore today, and then yeah, I'm just gonna try and get some rest because I don't feel very well. I think the change in climate is yeah, I'm not doing so well with it. So this was my outfit for today. I'm wearing my cute fall inspired cardigan. I actually have a tutorial for this cardigan on my channel, so if you're interested in seeing that, you can definitely check it out. I'll be putting a link to that video in the description. But yeah, and I just paired it with my wide leg black pants. I'm wearing a black long sleeve bodysuit under it, and yeah, this was the look for today. I had put my hair in the bobby pins because, like, the curls did not come out as planned, and they were kind of like sticking off in all different directions. So it's probably contributed to my headache. But anyway, yeah, guys, this was a look for today. I really liked it. It was very cute classroom young teacher. But yeah, guys, I will see you all tomorrow. Yeah, enjoy your night, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.